Now the first example is find the principal value of sine inverse of -1/2. ओके, आपण या अगोदरच्या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरमध्ये बघितलं आहे प्रिन्सिपल व्हॅल्यू कशी फाईंड करायची. ओके, जर आपल्याला ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक व्हॅल्यूजचा हा जो टेबल आहे हा टेबल जर माहीत असेल तर आपण प्रिन्सिपल व्हॅल्यूज फाईंड करू शकतो. ओके, सो आपल्याला प्रिन्सिपल व्हॅल्यू फाईंड करायची आहे साइन इनवर्स ऑफ -1/2 ची. Okay, so first of all we know that what is the formula, that is sine inverse of -x. Okay, we have the formula sine inverse of -x, that is equal to minus sine inverse x. Okay, so आपण ह्या sine inverse of -1/2 that is equal to कसं लिहू शकतोय, तर साइन इनवर्स ऑफ -x. ओके, x ची व्हॅल्यू 1/2. सो साइन इनवर्स ऑफ -x इज इक्वल टू मायनस साइन इनवर्स x. सो देअरफॉर साइन इनवर्स ऑफ -1/2 इज मायनस साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 1/2. ओके, सो दॅट इज इक्वल टू मायनस अँड व्हॉट इज व्हॅल्यू ऑफ साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 1/2. ओके, ही व्हॅल्यू कशी बघायची, तर आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची आहे साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 1/2 ची. सो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक व्हॅल्यूच्या टेबलमध्ये बघा, साईनच्या रोमध्ये 1/2 कोणत्या अँगलसाठी आहे. ओके, तर साईनच्या रोमध्ये 1/2 कोणत्या अँगलसाठी आहे, 30 डिग्री. आता 30 डिग्री मीन्स हाऊ मेनी रॅडियन, 30 डिग्री मीन्स π/6 रॅडियन. ओके, ॲज वेल ॲज 45 डिग्री मीन्स π/4 रॅडियन. देन 60 डिग्री मीन्स π/3 रॅडियन. ओके, अँड दिस इज π/2. Okay, this is 0 degree. So sine inverse of 1/2 answer is 30. 30 means π/6. So here sine inverse of 1/2 is π/6. That means the principal value of sine inverse of -1/2 is minus π/6. Okay, so now second example, find the principal value of cos inverse of -1/√2. Okay, now solution, we know that the formula, that is cos inverse of -x. Okay, that is equal to what, pi minus cos inverse x. Okay, so here that is equal to pi minus cos inverse. Okay, so we have given that cos inverse of -1/√2. So cos inverse of -1/√2 is equal to, by using this formula, that is pi minus cos inverse of 1/√2. ओके, हे मायनस साइन निघून जाते, त्यामुळे काय झालं आहे, पाय मायनस कॉस इनवर्स ऑफ 1/√2. सो दॅट इज इक्वल टू पाय मायनस अँड व्हॉट इज व्हॅल्यू ऑफ कॉस इनवर्स ऑफ 1/√2. सो हाऊ टू फाइंड दिस व्हॅल्यू. सो काय करायचं, इथं 1/√2 ही व्हॅल्यू कुठे बघायची, कॉसच्या रोमध्ये. ओके, सो कॉसच्या रोमध्ये 1/√2 कुठं दिसतंय, तर π/4 ला दिसतंय. सो कॉस इनवर्स ऑफ 1/√2 इज π/4. ओके, सो हेअर कॉस इनवर्स ऑफ 1/√2 इज π/4. नाउ डू क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन हिअर. सो दॅट इज 4 into pi, that is 4π, minus pi into 1, that is pi, upon 4 into 1, that is again 4. So the answer is 4π minus pi, that means 3π upon 4. So the principal value of cos inverse of -1/√2, that is equal to 3π/4. Okay, then next example, that is tan inverse of √3. Okay, so how to find principal value of tan inverse √3. Okay, we know that the value of tan 60 degree, okay, or the value of tan 60 degree means π/3 radian is √3. So the tan inverse of √3 is 60, means π/3. Okay, so how to write solution of this problem. We know that what, that is tan 60 degree means what, tan π/3. 60 degree means π/3 radian, and what is the value of tan π/3, that is √3. So therefore tan inverse of √3, that is equal to pi/3. Okay, so this is answer, or the principal value of tan inverse of √3 is pi upon 3. Okay, now next example, find the value of sine of pi by 2 minus cos inverse 1 upon 2. ओके, आता ह्याची व्हॅल्यू कशी फाइंड करायची? ओके, सो साइन ऑफ पाय बाय 2 मायनस कॉस इनवर्स 1 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू, आता फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपण काय करू, आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला माहीत आहे साइन ऑफ पाय बाय 2 मायनस थीटा. ओके, what is formula for sine of pi by 2 minus theta? So here we can see pi by 2 minus theta, angle lies in first quadrant. Okay, and in first quadrant sine is positive, also angle starts from y-axis, so interchange, and interchange of sine is cos, so therefore sine of pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. Okay, so here sine of pi by 2 minus cos inverse 1 upon 2. सो cos इनवर्स 1 upon 2 जर आपण थीटा आहे असं कन्सिडर केलं तर आपण काय सांगू शकतोय, साइन ऑफ पाय बाय 2 मायनस थीटा, आन्सर काय असतं कॉस थीटा. सो साइन ऑफ पाय बाय 2 मायनस कॉस इनवर्स 1 upon 2 इज इक्वल टू कॉस ऑफ कॉस इनवर्स, थीटाची व्हॅल्यू आपली कॉस इनवर्स 1 upon 2. सो कॉस ऑफ कॉस इनवर्स 1 upon 2. So we know that the property cos of cos inverse x that is equal to x. So cos inverse cos get cancelled, that means here also cos and cos inverse cancel, so answer is 1 upon 2. So the value of sine of pi by 2 minus cos inverse of 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 2. Okay, now next example, find the principal value of sec of cos inverse root 3 upon 2. Okay, now how to find the principal value of this? So sec of cos inverse root 3 upon 2 that is equal to sec of. ओके, आपल्याला काय करायचे, प्रिन्सिपल व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची. सो त्यासाठी एकतर आतमध्ये कॉस इनवर्स आहे, सो एकतर बाहेर कॉस पाहिजे किंवा बाहेर सेक आहे, आतमध्ये सेक इनवर्स पाहिजे. ओके, सो वी नो दॅट द फॉर्म्युला कॉस इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स. ओके, फॉर्म्युला कॉस इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स दॅट इज इक्वल टू व्हॉट इज इनवर्स ऑफ कॉस और व्हॉट इज reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of cos is sec. Okay, so cos inverse of x is equal to sec inverse of 1 upon x. Okay, so cos inverse of root 3 by 2 is sec inverse of, okay, root 3 by 2 चा reciprocal, that means 2 upon root 3. Okay, so that is equal to sec and sec inverse get cancelled, so the answer is 2 upon root 3. Okay, now next example, that is find cos of pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 upon 2. Okay, so we know that the formula for cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, what is formula for cos of pi by 2 minus theta? That is sin theta. Okay, cos of pi by 2 minus theta, angle lies in which quadrant? Pi by 2 here, so minus theta means angle lies in first quadrant, and in first quadrant cos is positive and angle starts from y-axis, so there is interchange, so interchange of cos is sine, so cos of pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. So here we have given that the cos of pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 upon 2. Okay, so cos of pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 upon 2, so that is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta, so sine of sine inverse of 1 upon 2. Okay, why this? Because cos of pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta, so therefore cos of pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 upon 2 is sine inverse of sine inverse of 1 upon 2. Then sine and sine inverse get cancelled, so the final answer is 1 upon 2. Okay, so in this manner you can find the principal value of any question or any trigonometric function. Okay, now the next example is find the value of tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3. ओके, आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू कशाची फाइंड करायची, tan इनवर्स ऑफ 1 by 2 प्लस tan इनवर्स ऑफ 1 by 3. सो आपण फॉर्म्युला बघितला आहे, tan इनवर्स x प्लस tan इनवर्स y इज इक्वल टू, याच्यासाठी दोन फॉर्म्युले होते. फर्स्ट फॉर्म्युला काय होता, tan इनवर्स x प्लस tan इनवर्स y इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स ऑफ x प्लस y अपॉन 1 मायनस xy. ओके, सो हा फॉर्म्युला कधी होता, ज्या वेळेस x आणि yचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन कसं पाहिजे, दॅट इज लेस दॅन 1 पाहिजे. ओके, त्यावेळेस हा फर्स्टवाला फॉर्म्युला होता. ओके, आणि सेकंडवाला फॉर्म्युला काय होता, ज्यावेळेस x आणि yचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन हे ग्रेटर दॅन 0 असेल, ओके, किंवा लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 1 असेल, ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 1 असेल, त्यावेळेस कोणता फॉर्म्युला होता, tan इनवर्स ऑफ x प्लस y अपॉन 1 मायनस xy, याच्यामध्ये फक्त पाय ॲड करायचा होता. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू कशाची फाइंड करायची, tan इनवर्स ऑफ 1 अपॉन 2 प्लस tan इनवर्स ऑफ 1 अपॉन 3. ओके, सो इथं जर बघितलं एक्सची व्हॅल्यू काय दिसते 1 अपॉन 2 आणि वायची व्हॅल्यू 1 अपॉन 3. जर दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं एक्स आणि वायचं, सो 1 अपॉन 2 इंटू 1 अपॉन 3 दॅट इज 1 अपॉन 6, आणि हे डिव्हिजन ऑलवेज लेस दॅन 1 असणार आहे. सो फर्स्ट फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला यूज करायचं आहे. सो दॅट इज इक्वल टू काय सांगता येईल मग, tan इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स प्लस वाय, एक्सची व्हॅल्यू 1 by 2, सो एक्स प्लस वायची व्हॅल्यू 1 by 3. ओके, अपॉन 1 मायनस xy, xy मीन्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ x अँड y, दॅट इज 1 अपॉन 6, सो 1 मायनस 1 अपॉन 6, so that is equal to tan inverse of, now do cross multiplication in numerator, that is 1 into 3, that is 3 plus 2 into 1, that is 2. Okay, so and upon what, 2 3 6 is there, whole divide by काय येईल, इथं पण क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन, सो 6 into 1 that is 6 minus 1 into 1 that is 1 upon again 6 into 1 that is 6. दोन्ही साईडचा डिनॉमिनेटर सेम, सो कॅन्सल होईल, अँड सो दॅट इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स ऑफ 3 plus 2 दॅट इज 5 अपॉन 6 minus 1 दॅट इज अगेन 5. ओके, अँड दॅट इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स ऑफ 5 अपॉन 5, 5 get cancelled, only 1 remains. And what is value of tan inverse 1? How to find this? We know that in trigonometric table, tan 45 degree is 1. Okay, value of tan inverse of 1 is 45, means pi by 4. So here tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Okay, so the value of tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 is pi upon 4. Now next find the value of tan inverse of 1 upon 7 plus tan inverse of 1 upon 13. Again here you can see x is equal to 1 upon 7 as well as y is equal to 1 upon 13. So therefore x into y, that is 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 13, that means 1 upon 7 into 13, that is 91. Okay, so this is always less than 1 because 1 upon 91 is 0 point something, so this is less than 1. So again use first formula. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is equal to tan inverse of x plus y. X plus y means 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 13 and upon 1 minus xy. Xy means x into y, that is 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 13 and that is 1 upon 91. Okay, so that is equal to tan inverse of, now again do cross multiplication here. Okay, so 13 into 1 that is 13 plus again 1 into 7 that is 7 upon what, 13 into 7 that means 91. Again in numerator again do cross multiplication, so 91 into 1 that is 91 minus again 1 into 1 that is 1 and upon 91 into 1 that is 91. Okay, So again in numerator in denominator you can see 91 get cancelled. Okay, so that is equal to tan inverse of 13 plus 7. 13 plus 7 is 20, and upon 91 minus 1, that means 90. So you can again see 10 to the 20 and 10 9 the 90. So that is equal to tan inverse of 2 upon 9. Okay, 2 upon 9. So this is value of tan inverse of 1 upon 7 plus tan inverse of 1 upon 13, and that can be also written as tan inverse x. We know the formula, tan inverse of x, that is equal to, what is reciprocal of tan? That is reciprocal of tan is cot inverse, and what is reciprocal of x? That is 1 upon x. So tan inverse x is equal to, we can write cot inverse of 1 upon x. So again here tan inverse of 2 upon 9 we can write, that is equal to cot inverse of 9 upon 2. Okay, so both answers are correct. Okay, now next problem, that is find the value of tan inverse of 1 upon 4 plus again tan inverse of 2 upon 9. Okay, and you can find the value of this by using again same formula. So here x is equal to 1 upon 4 as well as y is equal to, we can say, 2 upon 9. Okay, and so value of x into y, that is 1 upon 4 into 2 upon 9. Okay, 1 upon 4 into 2 upon 9. So here you can say 2 into 1, okay, or 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, that means value of xy is 1 upon 18. Okay, and this is always less than 1. So again use first formula. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that gives tan inverse of x plus y. That means value of x is 1 upon 4 plus y means value of y is 2 upon 9, and upon 1 minus xy means 1 by 4 into 2 by 9, that is 1 upon 18 is there. Okay, so that gives again tan inverse of, now again here you can do cross multiplication. Okay, 9 1s are 9 plus 4 into 2, that means 8 upon 4 into 9. Okay, that is 36 whole divided by, you can say again here do cross multiplication. So 18 into 1, that is 18, minus 1 into 1, that is 1, upon 18 into 1 is 18. So that gives tan inverse of 9 plus 8, that is 17, upon 36 upon 18 minus 1, that is again 17 upon 18. Okay, so that is equal to tan inverse of 17. Okay, in numerator also 17, and here in numerator also 17. So okay, so you can write numerator, that is 17 upon 36, that means 17 upon 36 into, okay, 7 upon 17 upon 18, that means this 18 is divided here, so it's multiply in numerator upon 17 as it is. Okay, so here you can also see 17 get cancelled, and 18 1s are 18 as well as 18 to the 36. So here that is equal to tan inverse of 1 upon 2. Okay, so this is final answer, or this answer also can be written as, what is reciprocal of tan inverse? That is cot inverse, and reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2. So this can be also written as cot inverse of 2. Okay, now the next problem is, show that 2 tan inverse 1 upon 3 is equal to tan inverse 3 upon 4. सो या टाईपच्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये काय करायचं आहे, शो दॅट म्हटलं आहे. ओके, सो शो दॅट मीन्स लेफ्ट हँड साईड इज इक्वल टू राईट हँड साईड वी हॅव टू प्रूव्ह. ओके, सो कन्सिडर लेफ्ट हँड साईड. व्हॉट इज लेफ्ट हँड साईड? 2 tan inverse of 1 upon 3, and 2 tan inverse of 1 upon 3 can be also written as tan inverse of 1 upon 3 plus tan inverse of 1 upon 3. So okay, tan inverse of 1 upon 3 plus tan inverse of 1 upon 3 is also 2 tan inverse 1 upon 3. So that gives, again you can use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Okay, what is x here? x is also equal to 1 by 3 as well as y is also 1 by 3, and value of xy, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, that is 1 upon 9. Okay, so again 1 upon 9 is less than 1, so use first formula. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that gives tan inverse of x plus y, that means 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3, because value of x is 1 by 3, also value of y is 1 by 3, upon 1 minus xy. Xy means 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 is 1 upon 9. Okay, so again in numerator you can do cross multiplication, so that gives tan inverse of, okay, 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3, no need of cross multiplication, denominator is same, so take denominator as a common. Okay, 3 common, then in numerator 1 plus 1 is 2, and in denominator do cross multiplication. So 9 into 1, that is 9, minus 1 into 1 is 1, and upon 9 into 1 is 9. So you can see that gives tan inverse of 2 upon 3, so 2 upon 3 into, here 9 minus 1 is 8, so 8 upon 9. Okay, this 9 is divided to the 8 in denominator, so if we take 9 in numerator, then it's multiplied, okay, and that 8 is remains in denominator. So 2 ones are 2, 2 4 the 8 is there, as well as 3 ones are 3, 3 3 the 9. So the answer is tan inverse of 1 into 3, that is 3 in numerator, and 1 into 4, that is 4 in denominator. Okay, and this is our right hand side. Okay, so this is all about examples based on inverse trigonometric function. So you can use all type of formulae and solve this type of examples. Okay, thank you.